Antibiotics have been a miracle of modern medicine, saving countless lives since their discovery. They work by killing bacteria or stopping their growth, allowing the body's immune system to eliminate the infection. However, in recent years, there's growing concern about antibiotics becoming less effective. But why do antibiotics sometimes stop working? At the heart of the issue is antibiotic resistance, a natural phenomenon exacerbated by human actions. When bacteria are exposed to antibiotics, they are put under pressure to survive. Some bacteria possess or acquire mutations that enable them to withstand the drug's effects. These resistant bacteria reproduce, passing on their survival traits, while the susceptible ones are eliminated. A significant contributor to this problem is the overuse and misuse of antibiotics. Frequently, antibiotics are prescribed for illnesses they can't cure, like viral infections. Additionally, when patients don't complete their prescribed course, some bacteria survive and adapt, fueling resistance. Moreover, antibiotics are used extensively in agriculture to promote growth and prevent disease in livestock, leading to resistant bacteria that can be transferred to humans through food. Another concerning aspect is the lack of new antibiotics being developed. Discovering and bringing new antibiotics to market is a lengthy and costly process, and many pharmaceutical companies have shifted focus away from antibiotic research. As resistant strains emerge, the available options to treat infections dwindle, creating a pressing public health threat. Addressing antibiotic resistance requires global cooperation and a multifaceted approach. Improved diagnostic tools can help ensure that antibiotics are used only when necessary. Encouraging the prudent use of these drugs in both human medicine and agriculture is crucial. Investment in research for new antibiotics and alternative treatments is equally important. Public awareness and education are vital in combating this crisis. By understanding the gravity of antibiotic resistance and adopting responsible practices, we can help preserve the effectiveness of these life-saving medications for future generations. In a world where the usefulness of antibiotics hangs in the balance, it's essential to act now to secure their continued ability to fight infections.